So this project mainly deals with the malware detection, a framework for reverse engineering Android application through machine learning algorithm. So let us look into the architecture, then let us follow all the what algorithm we use, and let us dive into the implementation of this project. So this is the system architecture. So first the user will be entering the data from the dataset. So what will the dataset consist of? Mainly the two fields. One is the APK link and as well as the mainly one consists only the APK link. And then it go through all the algorithm which we have taken, nothing but SVM, logistic regression and Navi based algorithms. So the here indicates this arrow indicates from all this the output will be directly redirected to the format. So if it is no nothing but if the malware is trying to detect, you are going to pass all through all these algorithms, then you are going to directly detect the output. And if it is directly you are going to send the output. This is the overview. Nothing but you're going to take the input from the user and try to follow through all the algorithms we have taken and extracting the output from it. So let us look into all the algorithms which we have. So there are the four main algorithms we are going to use in this uh, project. First, we use the first. Let us look into the random forest classifier. Nothing but decision tree. So we'll be using in ensemble learning. We'll be using the decision tree. Nothing but random forest algorithm, which helps us to boost our output more effectively. Because in random forest, we are going to extract all the possible outcomes and try to figure out how to handle those things. Nothing but you're going to figure out all the edge cases over there. In logistic regression, you're going to classify the data based on the data which is entered by the user. Now we are going to compare whether the elements, nothing but the features which we have taken from the link are matching with our the output. And when it comes to the Navy based classifier, it mainly works on the Bayesian theorem, nothing but the probabilistic, completely related to probability. Let us look into the SVM also. SVM mainly works on the classification of the data, whether this is a safe APK link or it is a it consists of the malware. To classify these things, we will be using the SVM. So internally, all the three algorithms we are going to apply. At the end, with the help of the SVM, we are going to classify the things. This is how we are going to run. And now let us look into the application. First, you're going to click on the Start Vampire Service, and you're going to get the green color symbol where you're going to look in this icon. Now you're going to click over that. Let us look into what are the background, nothing but the database concept, and how we are going to access. So we right now we do not keep it of the password. For the entering the data, you need to enter the root. And now like look into the database. Here you can see the all the data, user data. And now let's go through the project and execute that one. So our project is in the local host. We did not uh, directly deploy the project. As for now, we are just running the project in the local host. So first we need to write Python and name of the project nothing but manage.py. And you need to run server, then you're going to get some local host link. Try to copy the link and paste it in the Chrome or any of the browsers. This is the home page of our project. Now to access the thing, first you need to register. We need to fill out the details like username, mail ID, gender, country, city, name, and passport. After entering all the details, just click on the register button. You're going to save all the data in the database and now by using these credentials you need to log in. So just click on the remote user and try to log in with the same credentials which you have registered right now. So this is the data which you have which the user is there right now, and we need to enter some URL, right? First let us go to the database and try to pick one URL. So these are the URLs. Let us pick one random URL. I've taken 49th URL and I'm going to paste it over there. Now let's click on the predict. Let's wait for the output. So we have got the good URL. Now let's log in as an admin. Let us see what we going to get the all the performance. So to log in, you have to enter the admin and password also the admin. These are all the details, previous details. And let's analyze these are all the options we have. Let's go through each and everything and let what are the outputs we're going to get. Let us see the things. So this is the overall accuracy and performance matrix, and this is a graph and pie chart. And now let us look into the what are the past URLs we have pasted and what is the outcome. And ratio we are going to look into this ratio, and this is the predictions we have made right now, and all the past data.